Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you are good. Today I have brought for you very beautiful crochet hair designs. These designs are very famous these days. Crochet hair are very famous because it won't damage your natural hair. Instead, it helps to grow your natural hair. It is little bit time consuming process to make this hairstyle. It mostly takes 90 minutes and lasts for 3 to 6 weeks. I hope you like all the designs. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.